Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I will be making some beautiful, delicious beef grill. And the first thing I'm going to do is to prepare my steak. Just pat it dry with a paper towel. And after doing that, I'll be using a meat tenderizer to make the meat very soft. So now I'll be adding oil, just like a tablespoon of oil, and we'll add some meat seasoning, also add some pepper. We'll add ginger next, a teaspoon of ginger. We're going to be adding salt as well. So this is pretty much what I'll be using for this marinade. So we're going to gently just mix everything together, tap it very well, make sure that the ingredients gets to each piece of meat on every side. So after doing this, I'm going to marinate it for at least 1 hour. I'm just going to cover it up and marinate it for 1 hour. So this is just what you're going to do: marinate and set aside for 1 hour. Then we're going to have our grill. I'm using this beautiful pan grill, and I'll just put some oil, like a tablespoon of oil on it, and then grill. Can you hear that sizzle? So beautiful. So at this point, we're just going to let the meat stay. Just let it stay. Remember, you're using low to medium heat, so just let it cook very well on one side before you flip it to the next side. So we're just going to let it, grill gradually, and it's just the aroma is already so wonderful. I wish you could perceive it from your phones. Alright, so if you're still watching at this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so whenever I post any delicious recipe, you will be the first to see it. And if you have been trying any of my recipes in the time past, please do let me know how you find it. If you have any suggestions, you can also let me know in the comment section. And let me know where you're watching me from. I would love to connect with you. Thank you. So now I've just flipped the beef to the other side so that we can have a cool, yummy, delicious beef. Okay, so at this point it is ready. It is okay now. You can just have it right away because it's done. But I put mine back in the oven because I wanted to have it dry. Let me know if you will try this recipe. Bye. See you in my next video.